Morning folks, welcome back. Off out for another explore if you'd like to come and join me. So today I'm just south of Stoke, north of Stone at Barlaston. Pretty little place, and I've accidentally parked next to the pub. These things happen. Not a super long one today, 3 miles ish, but I hope you'll come along, follow along and explore with me. So for those of you who are new, welcome. Hi, I'm Simon. So what is this? I suppose this is a sort of travel vlog really, but with a difference because we explore everywhere at a trot. So if you'd like to come and explore the British countryside, click subscribe and the notifications bell and follow along. And if you'd like early access to content and exclusive content, then go check out Patreon. Right, that's it. I'm going to get going. Follow along. It's a lovely day, beautiful countryside. Let's go. And we're off. Welcome to the pretty little village of Barlaston. So we're going to start today by heading through the Wedgwood Estate. Wedgwood moved their pottery business from Etruria to here in 1940 to a modern factory. The corporate offices are still here. And also here there is the World of Wedgwood Museum, so you might like to give that a visit. If you book in advance you can get a factory tour. Also, there's the V&A Wedgwood Collection, which is free, a museum of all their design history. So, very interesting if you're interested in pottery. And here we've got Barlaston Hall, a one-time Wedgwood family home dating back from 1756. Looks like it's got some stunning views. And next door there's St John's Church dating from 1886, though the original medieval tower remains. And a brief pause while we wait for the train to go past. The station opened here just in time for the factory opening in 1940, I believe. joining this beautiful section of the Trent and Mersey Canal here and heading back into the village. And here we've got the Plume of Feathers pub. Yeah, this would make a great alternative start-end point for your route. The pub is run by Neil Morrissey, the actor most famous for his role in Men Behaving Badly. And Neil's pretty hands-on, I believe. You can taste some of his beer, and he likes to get involved in the kitchen, so he might actually be cooking your dinner. back in the middle of Barlaston. Just note up ahead on the right is Upper House Hotel, which was built in 1845 for Josiah Wedgwood's grandson, but now it's a hotel with a restaurant and a bar, so an alternative place to visit at the end of your route. Okay, all done. 3.3 miles. Yeah, I did a shorter one today because my chest is still a bit wheezy. I've had a chest infection. I made the right call. Lovely spot. You should come and visit Barlaston. Do go check out the website where you'll find more details about this route and a GPX file that you can download to your mapping app of your choice on your phone, so you can come and explore here and you can't possibly get lost. Okay, heading home for a cup of tea. Take care, folks. See you next time.